My name is Mickey Mouse, and I am here to tell you a story. Once upon a time, excuse me, Mickey Mouse, excuse me. Mickey, do you mind if I tell the story? Oh, sure, Rajni. I'll sit. Hello, everyone. How are you? It's so nice to see you all. My name is Rajni and I'm a big girl and I live in the capital city of India. And I love stories. What about you? You like stories too? Wow. What kind of stories do you like? Yes? I didn't hear you. Oh, we can't talk like this. You need to write the names of the stories that you like in the comment section below. And now let us get started and let us sit up straight and enter the storyland. So, once upon a time, long ago, actually not very long, थोड़े दिन पहले की ही बात है. There was a big city which had a beautiful house. That house was very near to the airport. Yes. So the house had many aeroplanes flying over the house all day long. The house also had a beautiful park. It had slides and swings and green trees around it. This house belonged to two cute little kids. Their names were Dhruv and Sanskriti. Both of them were just amazing kids, just like you all. But someone in their house was very sad with them. What could be the reason? Dhruv and Sanskriti are such good children. But there was someone who was very sad. It was the Toyland. Dhruv and Sanskriti had one room in the house dedicated to them with their toys and games, their kind of stuffs, all inside that room. Dhruv and Sanskriti very lovingly called it the Toyland. But they just forgot about it. For the past 6 months, Dhruv and Sanskriti hardly went there. Even if they went there, they used to attend their classes or pick up some stuffs. Today, in the night when Dhruv and Sanskriti were tired playing Roblox on their iPad, and then they wished their mom and dad and grandmother good night through Snapchat, they went deep in sleep. Without realizing, yet again that they forgot to wish good night to their favorite toys. And the toys were very angry this time. They all were very upset. As soon as the lights turned off, all the toys started marching. नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा. ध्रुव and संस्कृति का ये अन्याय नहीं चलेगा. Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, all of them were shouting. Then suddenly, a bouncy ball came in one and said, Minnie, oh, Mr. Mickey and Minnie, why are you so upset? They at least see you on the television while having their dinner. When they were kids at least, they saw you. What about me? They have just forgotten me. They don't play with me anymore. No matter of what size I am in the house. They just completely forgot about me. Then Mr. Block came in between and said, Miss Ball? Miss Ball? Yes, what is this? Block said to the ball, you at least get kicked or bounced sometime. Dhruv and Sanskriti have completely forgotten me. They don't play with me anymore. But possessive तो ऐसे हैं जैसे पता नहीं क्या. The other day, their little cousin Ria was in their house. And she entered our room. And she was about to pick me. She opened the blocks and she was about to make an amazing building out of me. This Dhruv came running inside the room and said, ये मेरा है, इससे कोई नहीं खेलेगा, okay? This was my favorite when I was a kid. The block was very angry. He said, ना खुद खेलता है ना किसी और को खेलने देता है. Seeing all this drama, there was a box of vegetables sitting silently around there. Very calmly and quietly, the pineapple stood up and said, "Listen, my dear friends, I understand what do you say. The same situation is with me. Kids love to buy me, but they hardly know what to do with me, whether I am in the toy box or in their dinner plate. They don't know what to do. As we all are suffering from the same thing, and I have all the vitamins and minerals in me, so I am the smartest one. So I'll let you know all what to do. Let us go to Nani Ma and ask for her some advice, because I also don't know now what to do." All the toys suddenly got very happy. They were bouncing with joy. Yay! Yay! We got a solution. Let's go to Nani Ma. The next morning, when Nani Ma was calmly and quietly sitting on her chair reading her newspaper, Dhondu the big dog came and said, "Nani Ma, Nani Ma, I don't know what to do. We all are very worried. क्या करें हम? We all the toys just lie down in the building. And nobody's there to play with us. Not a single child comes and play with us. What to do? What to do?" Suddenly, Barbie came up. She was also very sad, equally sad, but she had her grace. So she said, "Nani Ma, I hope you understand our pain now. अब इतना बड़ा डॉगी ऐसे फूट फूट के रोएगा तो अच्छा तो नहीं लगेगा ना नानी माँ. Do something ना. Suggest us what to do." Nani Ma immediately understood what the pain was, as she was also thinking about this since many days. She thought for some moment and then happily hugged all the toys and told them, "Mickey, Minnie, you all shift to my room." All the toys were puzzled. They didn't know what it meant. But they were happy because they knew that Nani was the smartest. And Nani ने कुछ suggest किया है तो अच्छा ही होगा. They said, "Yay, let us shift to Nani's room." Next day, all the toys were in Nani's room, and soon Nani's room was such a happening place. Nani's room was full of toys, board games, skipping rope, and every good stuff that Dhruv and Sanskriti had been collecting for so long. Nani got too busy inside her room only nowadays because she started loving playing with the toys. Yeah, Nani started playing with the toys as it reminded her of her childhood days when all day long she used to play with her friends and sometimes alone. Gradually time passed. Soon Dhruv and Sanskriti started noticing that what's happening in Nani's room, why there is so much of loud noise, happiness, music and dance coming from Nani's room all the time. They saw that Nani was busy playing with the toys. Very soon, Dhruv and Sanskriti now were inside Nani's room teaching her her favorite childhood game, Vyapar, that is now known as Monopoly in the digital format. Yes, Nani loved playing the Vyapar in the digital Monopoly way. And Dhruv and Sanskriti loved listening to Nani's childhood story and all the mischief that Nani used to do, which they couldn't believe, of course, now. Very soon, the television, the iPad, the roadblocks and video games took a backseat in their life for some time. Yes. And Dhruv and Sanskriti were busy playing with the toys and playing outside their house too. Isn't it amazing to hear that the Toyland was alive and happy again? Yes. I love the story. What about you? How did you like it? I hope you like it. Let me know how did you find this story. And tonight just do a little thing for me. When you go to your room today, look carefully for that one toy that maybe you were not able to play with for the last 15 days. Okay? Search for that toy. Write the name of that toy in the comment section below. And next time when we'll meet, I'll let you know what to do with that toy. Okay? Till that time, have fun, enjoy, and listen to stories. Bye-bye.